is the coolest person. Niqua is the coolest person. You know you love her. You know you love her. She's awesome. She's awesome. Don't deny it. She's so Niqualicious. So Niqualicious. Niqua.
Are you tired of those other shampoos leaving your hair lifeless and ugly like this? Well, kick those other shampoos to the corner and use that hair stuff. It's this new shampoo that leaves it beautiful like that. That hair stuff. Hair stuff. That hair stuff is really, really good. It's for your hair. Hair stuff. Hair stuff. It's really, really good. It's for your hair. Use it for. Done. Done, done. Hair stuff. Stuff of the hair. Hair stuff. Yeah. Hair stuff. Ugh.